What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Kaspa. Okay, that being said, we're back again, back in the parking lot, checking on my cars and stuff like that since I was out of town. But today we're going to talk about the king again, Kaspa, and also I will give you some glance at Quant, and also a glance at Jasmy. Those are the coins that, like I said, we've been at this my millionaire journey. These are coins that I picked for this run. Okay, from this run, because I believe these three coins will give you the most returns if you play your cards right. If you do everything right, these coins will give you the most return. Now, with fundamentals, okay, we put Kaspa first, because I believe Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. I've said it before, I will say it again, and I'll keep saying it. Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. A lot of you guys keep asking, like, how much Kaspa do I hold? I'll tell you this. Kaspa forms 90% of my portfolio. And yes, I'm aspiring to become a shark. That's what I'm aspiring to. So I keep buying Kaspa every day. I started buying Kaspa when it was less than a cent. And I've been buying it since. So, excuse me. I've been buying it since. I'm also mining it. Like, if you can go a couple of videos behind, I showed you guys my mining farm on Kaspa. Okay, so yeah, let's check on Kaspa first. Before we do that, let's go into the entire crypto market, how the market is reacting. Because I remember telling you guys 24 hours ago, I told you guys 24 hours left, that you do not sit over there and look at the red market and cry about it. Because if you look at the charts were saying something different. If you look at the fundamentals of Kaspa, fundamentals were saying something different. Because we have the ecosystem about to kick on. We have the all these projects, which will include meme coins, stable coins, DeFi projects. All this stuff was about to kick on. That's why I was telling you guys, do not panic. Because this little dip is caused by Bitcoin. So far, we are still attached to the hip of Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin does, Kaspa will do. Or whatever Bitcoin does, Quant, Jasmy will do. So I told you guys, I scaled up my positions, and I showed you again, like I always do, very honest and transparent with you guys. I always show you what I do, when I do, and if I do it. But it's up to you. This is it's not financial advice. It's a step that we all take. Like I tell you guys, this is the millionaire journey. And at this millionaire journey, every day, we try to add to our positions. Okay, I don't care how you do it. Your normal 9 to 5. Okay, leverage trade, buy coins on spot, mine them using special computers or ASIC miners. However you do it, every day you need to be at least $1 or $10 more than you was yesterday. You understand? That is how we do this. We are going from zero to millionaire status. Okay, so that being said, let's start with the crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles right here. So you can see yesterday everything was red, and I told you guys, don't panic. It was just a moment. It was just for the meantime. It was not going to last long. We only had 24 hours. Okay, that being said, look at Kaspa. This is Kaspa, the king himself. Okay, look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. Kaspa is up 8.8%. That's Kaspa is up 8.8% already. That's why I was telling you guys, like, you shouldn't think about how bad it is, or the market, crashing, or the market going down. It is just a temporary situation that Kaspa was facing. So a lot of you guys who are close their positions or whatever they did, what you find out is like you did that by mistake. A lot of you who did exactly like I was telling you guys to add to your already positions, you did better. So that being said, I will take you to my to my trading view. So excuse me the noise. Like I said, I'm in my parking lot just checking my cars right quick. So I'm gonna take you to my trading view right quick. Trading view right there. See, I'm gonna start on the weekly. On the weekly, you see, those of you who has been following my channel, you can see I've been having these lines drawn for a while now, and today I'm going to add another one, okay, another line right with you guys, so you can see something. You can see what I'm seeing. So let me go, says a trend line. I want to show you guys this, because this W is something I was just looking at a moment ago. See that? So if you follow this trend line up there, you can see at 19-20 cents is a big resistance. 19-20 cents, and that is almost the all-time high that Kaspa faced. Now if we break that 20 cents, okay, now let's see, let me show you another thing. A lot of you guys who don't pay attention to this stuff, some people just like they leave it alone, they don't really look. If you draw a trend line, because we're trying to see approximately what would the target be, if you take that and to the breakout point, that gives us almost let me try to flip it and go this way. Okay, there, I did it on my computer. Since I'm on my phone, it's a little bit difficult to do this, but that gives us a target of 35 cents. 35 cents on a dollar. So you guys, right now is still an opportunity to 5, 10, or even 20x your money. Now if you go, let's go to the 4 hourly. Okay, see this, like clockwork. Like I told you guys, this was playing out like this since yesterday. If I bring out my arrow, out, yesterday I was telling you guys, don't worry, because the moving average is way below. We was going to go to 15.4 or 15 points, between 15.4 and 15.6, and look at this, exactly, almost exactly, because it stopped at 15.5. 15.5, you see, we broke above it, came back, retest. This was a retest I was telling you guys about. It's going to be around 15.4, 15.5, and now we are off to the races. You see, we already touched that resistance at 17. In the next coming probably a few hours or day, this thing is going to break this 17 and go to the 20. That 20 resistance, we're going to break it, come back, retest it, and then we're off to the races to the 30 cents level. I'm telling you guys, this thing is playing out exactly as predicted. Do not panic. Now if you go back to the hourly, look at that, it is forming that classic bull flag. That is what it is forming. Okay, look, we broke above the ribbon, we broke above the moving average. Look at that, went off straight. We are going to form this slowly, and then take off from there. There we go. It's forming that classic bull flag. Okay, so let's go to the other coins like Quant. Let me go Quant, QNT, because Quant is another coin I kept telling guys about. Okay, this is oh my god, oh my goodness. Oh I have to look at this again. Some guys say Quant was dead, Quant was useless, Quant wasn't going to go nowhere, Quant was this and that, and I kept telling you guys, look on the weekly. Quant is forming a bullish divergence. Okay, bullish divergence, which means we are about to break above the ribbon, and once we break that ribbon, Quant is going to go retest that moving average. Okay, we're not out of the wood yet. It's still a little bit earlier to predict that. Excuse me, it's still a little bit early to predict that, but Quant is moving right according to plan. Okay, you guys you'll be looking at it and be thinking like, okay, this is it. No, there is a moving average that we have to break above, and then we have to still test that $104. $104, that's what we need to actually break. But let's go back to the charts right quick. Did you see that? I told you guys this was going to happen. This is exactly what I told you guys. If you can go back, I always keep my receipts. I keep my receipts, check my videos, and you will see we were here. I told you guys we are going to retest the moving average. We're possibly going to break it, come back, retest it. Now we're going to, the ribbon, and now we're going to retest the moving average. Now the moving average, we broke above it. We are now retesting it. That is what Quant is doing. We are retesting the moving average, and we have to break this. I think this move right now is going to form this bull flag again. Okay. Once we form this bull flag, this target is going to take Quant all the way up to above that 104. Simple. Look at that. Nice W. 1, 2, retest, up. Now, if you draw a trend line, because right now I can't really tell you where it's going to break out from, because you are still forming this flag right here. Excuse me. We're still forming this flag right here. Once the flag is complete, we are going to break above, and we are looking above 104. Trust me. And that's what I told you guys. Even when you go, let's go to the 4 hours right quick. See, on the 4 hours, this is what most guys, I was telling you guys about. The W is getting formed. 1, break above it, got rejected. 2, now we broke above it. We are above the ribbon. Now the next target is going to be retest the moving average. That's where we are going to go. We are retesting the moving average and need to be above that 104. But the biggest thing ever on the Quant trade, or on the Quant chart, is on the weekly. You guys got to look. Zoom out. And now see that? That is beautiful. Like I said, guys, this is excuse me, it's not this one. This is exactly what I'm showing you guys. A lot of you who talking about Quant is done for, Quant is this, Quant is that, and I'm telling you guys, on the weekly, this is where you gotta look at this. 1 leg, 2 legs. Now the 3rd leg, we are going up. All we need to do is break this above that. 150 is the ultimate target. Once we break this 150, we are looking at 200 or 210. After 210, we are looking at 300 to the all-time high. Trust me, we are about to make a lot of money with this thing. Guys who are not paying attention will not make this. Okay, this is just clockwork. You will not make money with this if you do not pay attention. Okay, so let me look again on the daily. I need to delete this. Let me see on my R on the daily, because on the daily, as you can see, we are still coming back again to retest the ribbon. From the ribbon, just clockwork, the same thing. We are going to retest that moving average. Okay, now let's go to the other coin, Jasmy, which again is playing just like clockwork, exactly like I told you guys this was going to happen. Jasmy is going to make a lot of people a lot of money. Look at that. Okay, Jasmy, let me go here. See, this is a bull flag we're forming on the daily. We're just coming back, retest the ribbon from that flag and up. Now that resistance at 5 cents is still there, but the ultimate target for this move, like I told you guys, is at 9 cents. We are not going to go straight up. That is always how the market looks, how the market works. We don't go straight up. We go up, retest, come back. If you look on the 4 hours, let's go on the 4 hourly. You can see that it came back, like I said, retest the moving average. Retest the ribbon. We are now breaking above it, and you can look at, if you zoom in, see the ribbon is curving. The ribbon is curving, so we are going up, retest it, and up we go. Up we go. Jasmy is going to find a major resistance at 5 cents, but the ultimate goal for this move is at 9 cents. As you can see, when I go to the weekly, you can see how I go to the weekly, and you will see this. Okay, so zoom out. See, we are halfway, just halfway of the move, halfway of the target, because the move started here. Remember guys, go back to my videos and you will see it. I told you guys this here was one. Oh, let me use it's better to use the trend line, okay? Because I told you guys this one here, if you take this to this where it came out from, that's one. Okay, now take another one, trend line, you draw this was the resistance, Jasmy form, boom. And now if I take this, clone it, let's clone it. Now take it again, put it to the point of breakout, which was here, and you will see. Okay, now I will go and you see it like normal clockwork. There's no two ways about it. Follow the line, follow the money. This thing is breaking out and it's getting to 9 cents. That 9 cents, 9 to 10 cents is where we are looking at. That's where the major target for this move is. Okay, now you guys, like I said, you can take advantage of this. You can leverage trade. Okay, you can buy it on spot, but like I said, this is not financial advice, and I'm not trying to sit here and condone leverage trading. If you don't feel comfortable about it, do not leverage trade, because if you do, leverage trading is actually an easier and faster way for you to lose your money. But if you do, you can follow my links below. I have a Bydfi, which I use for my long-time trade, and I have Phemex, which I use for my short-term trades. Okay, now that being said, I'm always very transparent with you guys. I'm about to show you my trades and see how good we are doing or how bad we are doing. Okay, because this for me is one crucial step for my millionaire journey. So let's go right there on my Bydfi first. See Bydfi, which is this. Bydfi loading. Okay, there we go. I told you guys, if you sign up, you will get this bonus. There's this bonus right there. Okay, if you sign up, you get it, and you can get up to almost 2,000 or 2,800, almost $3,000 you can get by signing up with Bydfi. You guys know we went down on my overall. Now we are up again, $29,000. Okay, you can see that $29,000. Checking on my contracts, you see right now on the finance, I'm up 15%. Like I told you guys, we use this to make exchange fees that I use. We also use it to make extra money for the, you know, if I want to scale up my trades and stuff like that. This is Quant. You remember the last time I showed you Quant, my Quant was up 1%, no more. But as you can see today, my Quant is up 7%. Told you guys this thing was breaking out. Okay, I told you guys he was coming up. Quant is up 7%, as you can see right there. Yesterday my Jasmy dropped and it was also down, but as you can see today, Jasmy's up 82%. Okay, 82% is you just have to learn how to read the markets. Once you read the markets, you can make a lot of money out of it. So 82% on my Jasmy. And if we go back down to the King Kaspa itself, King is up 68%. See that? 68%. That's how high the King is right now on my trade. This is my long term, and I plan to keep them to the top of the bull run, or close as possible to the top of the bull run, because nobody knows exactly what the top will be. Now let's go to my Phemex. Here we go. Okay, sign in. As you can see, Phemex also gives you a welcome bonuses when you sign up. Those of you who remember yesterday, my total on my short-term trades was like at $6,000, right? Today we are like $8,000, and they're growing juicy. So my contracts, as you can see on my contracts, on Quant, I'm sorry, on Kaspa, I'm up 18%. That is easily seen. Like I said, guys, this thing is going to make a lot of people money if you know what you're doing. So if you see here, I'm up 18%, and on my Jasmy trade, I'm up 50%. See, those are things that I do, and I always show you guys. Okay, so now that being said, I don't condone it. Okay, I don't. Only if you know what you're doing. If you don't, please do not. But if you do, you can sign up using the links. You can follow my trades, follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. The most important thing is that you make money. make money out of it. Now let's go look at Kaspa's numbers. Kaspa's numbers is one of the things I like to look at every day because it shows me where the project is going. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, refresh. As you can see, today we are trading at 17.2, that resistance level. Okay, market cap is up again, $4.1 billion. I told you guys that 3.8 billion was not going to last long. See that? $4.1 billion. Hash rate has been blowing off the chart. If you can see, what I tell you, price always follows hash rates. Look at that. Now price is going up, following, they're all playing that tag. Okay, so that being said, let's go back to another thing that I like to show you guys. On the numbers, look at the numbers. People holding 10,000 Kaspas. Numbers has gone up from 90,000 to 94,000 addresses. Because people understand those are like daily trading it or whatever they're doing, which I wouldn't do it if I were them because it's suicidal. But the numbers is going up. People holding, look at that. The number is going, it's on, like it's climbing. It's not like if you put this on a chart, you will see it. We are up, going up. Okay, the numbers is climbing, going like crazy. And you can also see that the migration is playing a crucial part on this. Migration, only a few nodes are left before this complete migration. We only got 9% left. 9% to be completed on 100% of migration. Okay, so the other day I showed you guys the official page for Kaspa. Did you see that? I'm telling you guys, Kaspa is about to blow. They're about to list this thing on Binance. Okay, it's normal that they don't tell you what day because it will be considered as market manipulation. But Kaspa is about to run. If you ask me, because when you look at these addresses, okay, look at this. These three addresses, before for the longest, we only had two. Look at here, these addresses. We only had two addresses for the longest. But all of a sudden, there was a third one, okay? Third address that came up. And I tell you guys, these three addresses, I think it's Binance, Coinbase, and probably KuCoin or some other big exchange that is doing this. So that being said, the ecosystem is launching. Okay, those meme coins, those DeFi projects, all those things are coming to Kaspa. Okay, and what that will do, the trading volume will be booming. So these exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, I think they are waiting for that migration to begin. Once the ecosystem launches, they don't want to miss on these money-making opportunities. They don't want to miss on that. So I told you guys about it. Like the crash was just something to distract people. They call them weak hands, paper hands, whatever you want to call them. For me, I call them traders because it's a money. Any situation in the market is an opportunity for somebody, either for me, for you, or for somebody else. Some people take advantage of the downtrend, others take advantage of the uptrend, which is me. On the bull market, I do not short any asset. I already told you guys my plan. At the end of the bull market, when Bitcoin tops out or starts going down, I will short the living hell out of all these meme coins. That is where the money is going to be, on the downtrend. Okay, so you have to understand it. Jasmy, Quant, Kaspa, they're about to make you a lot of money. Kaspa, due to its fundamentals, which is going to be, I think it's going to replace Ethereum soon. Very soon we will replace Ethereum, but on the coin market cap list and on the market cap, I think Kaspa, I maintain it and I stay by it. Kaspa will hit $10. If you don't want to see it, that's okay. Everybody, and I respect everybody's opinion, but Kaspa will hit $10. Okay, so that being said, you should look at it. I said most of the time, because guys say, because Bitcoin is better. No, guys, I think Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. Store of value, Kaspa can store value. Fast, Kaspa is faster. Scalable, faster. Kaspa is scalable more than, and another thing you have to add to it. Okay, Bitcoin is too slow. Kaspa is scalable, is secure, is fast, You name it. Any way you want to, I will tell you that Kaspa is way better than Bitcoin. In fact, that's why I always say Kaspa is Bitcoin on steroids. Okay, so that's why for me, I try to accumulate as much Kaspa as possible before it is too late. Okay, that's why I am leverage trading it. I am buying it on spot, and I'm also mining it. I'm mining Kaspa. So it's up to you. This wealth transfer happening right now. Are you going to be in it, or are you going to stay out of it? You see, Swift is antique, but the Quant overledger is going to replace that Swift. Everybody's already started. So yeah, the Swift system is antique. It needs an upgrade, or probably need to be replaced completely. That is what the Quant overledger is going to work for. Okay, we are going to see the Quant overledger doing that. Like now, like I said, Project Mbridge is already live. Okay, Project Rosalind is coming up, and after that we get Project Gateways. So those of you who think like Quant is dead, it's not moving, you are about to get the surprise of your life. Like I say, you can see right now we're already breaking up above the ribbon. We are going to retest that moving average, and Quant is going to retest that major resistance at 104. Same goes to Kaspa. Kaspa is about to run crazier than you think, because the ecosystem is already building up. Minimum we are looking at in the coming weeks, or probably a month or so, coming weeks or months, we are looking at Kaspa at 60 cents. 60 cents, because this ecosystem, meme coins, stable coins, projects, whatever you call it, as soon as they hit Kaspa, Kaspa is about to ignite, like really run. So it's not financial advice, but like I'm saying, you guys have to get in there. Okay, get your leverage position ready, get your spot position ready, because these prices you're looking at right now, you're not going to see them again. You understand? That's why I told you a couple videos ago, I think yesterday, I said 24 hours. In 24 hours, this thing will reverse. And it's exactly what is happening. It's exactly what's happening. For me, I still stand by it. I think Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. And we're about to see Kaspa, and we're about to see Kaspa at $10 in this run. Now it's up to you. Like I always say, if you know, you know. Now let me know in the comments below. Do you think I'm right? Do you think I'm wrong? What is your opinion? So please subscribe, like the video, share it, so that a lot of people like you and me who are in this millionaire journey can see it. Okay, until next time, see you and take care of yourself. Bye bye.